ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद चतुर्थ ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 154. In Bhashya it was given, this Hiranyagarbha did Alochanam Kritva Koham Kin Lakshano va Asmi. Who am I? What is my Lakshana means Dharma. What is my Swarupa? This kind of inquiry he conducted. So this is natural for everybody that this question will come, who am I? What is my identity? In the midst of so many identities, what is my Vyavaharik identity and what is my Paramarthik identity? Transactional I and absolute I. I have to know both of these. And exactly same question Prajapati ji had. Means when Antakaranam is very Shuddha, this question comes naturally. If Antakarana is not that Shuddha, somebody says, you do this inquiry. Then for 2-3 minutes, I will ask that question. When the food bell rings, then I'll say, forget Koham. First, let me have Bhojan. I'll do that. So then, because really I am not interested in that inquiry. Here it is serious. See in Tika, first line on 154. Swarupa dharma vishayau dvau vimarshau. Dvau vimarshau. These two, vimarsha means questionings or inquiring. They are Swarupa dharma vishayaka. They are talking about one's own identity. Na anyat iti vakyam adaya aksharani vyachaste. But he did not see anything else. This also you can apply in this way. When a person is actually interested in knowing Koham, then they will not see anything else. They will not see anything else means nothing else is interesting now. Is this that somebody says this is good to see, that is, he says Atma Vare Drashtavya. Everything else he can let go. This is Lakshana, that is not the meaning directly given here, but you can think in this way that I am not interested in anything else anymore. Vastvantaram is given in the Bhashya. Na anyad vastvantaram atmanaha प्राणपिंडात्मकात् कार्यकरण रूपात् न अपश्यन् न ददर्श. That Virat did not see anything else other than itself. What is itself? Pranapindatmaka karyakarana rupa. So now somebody is saying, okay, he did not see anything else. Why? Because he did not have the ability to see. Darshana Shakti Abhavadeva Vastvantaram Prajapatir na Drishtavan. Maybe he was not able to see anything. Glasses were not there. Already Virat is so old. So न दृष्टवान न ददर्श इति आशंक्याः केवलं तु आत्मानमेव सर्वात्मानम् अपश्यत्. But it's not that he didn't see anything. He saw himself as everything. So if I am Sarvatma Rupa, that darshanam did happen. That means it's not that he did not have what? Darshana Shakti. See the tika. तथा भाष्य पूर्व जन्म श्रौत विज्ञान संस्कृतः सोहम प्रजापति सर्वात्मा अहम अस्मि इति अग्रे व्याहृतवान्. तथा पूर्व जन्म श्रौत विज्ञान संस्कृतः. In पूर्व जन्म this प्रजापति was यजमान मनुष्य. In that janma he had Shrauta Vijnana. Shruti, Janya, Karma, Upasana, all this Jnanam he had. And then Soham Prajapati hi Sarvatma Aham Asmi. Now, iti agre, in the next moment he understood. Oh, I am that Prajapati who in my previous janma I had all the knowledge from Shastra and I had done so much Upasana. Iti agre vyahृतवान्. 7 number tippani. Aparam apashyan viratatma kim kritavan iti apekshayam aha. Tatha. So when you don't see anything around, then you will be able to recognize your true nature. Like how in Upanishad it will be said, Yatra nanyat pashyati nanyat shrunoti nanyat vijanati. So where anya is not there, in Vedanta also it is true. Vyaharat shabda Hri harane dhatu is there. Vi ang upasarga purvak vyahृतवान्. Vyaharanam means he expressed himself. He gave the speech. Means he uttered these words. What? Soham prajapatihi sarvatma aham asmi. In this way. Tika. Yatha sarvatma soham ityadi vyachaste, that we saw. What is so? Soham prajapati. यथा सर्वात्मा प्रजापति अहम इति पूर्वस्मिन् जन्मनि श्रौतेन विज्ञानेन संस्कृतो विराडात्मा तथा इदानीमपि फलावस्थः सोहम प्रजापतिरस्मि इति प्रथमं व्याहृतवान् इति योजना. First he understood this. First he expressed in this way. What? पूर्वस्मिन् जन्मनि, in the previous janma, I did this chintanam, upasana. What? Sarvatma prajapatihi aham iti shrautena vijnanena samskritaha. Means at that time I was only doing upasana. I was not prajapati. That now samskrito viradatma tatha idanim api phalavastaha. At that time I was in the upasana state. Now I am in the phala state. I got the result of that upasana. Soham prajapati rasmi iti prathamo vyahatavan. Iti yojana. Iti vakya yojana. Vyaharan phalam aha. Now vyaharan phalam is given. Tatas tasmad yataha purva jnana samskarad atmanameva aham iti abhyadhat agre. पूर्व ज्ञान संस्कारात आत्मानम एव अहम इति अग्रे अभ्यधात. In this way he expressed तस्मात् अहं नामा अभवत् तस्योपनिषत् अहम इति श्रुति प्रदर्शितम एव नाम वक्ष्यति. Tasmad aham nama abhavat. Because he, in the beginning, he said, aham asmi Prajapati. So therefore, his name became aham. Aham nama yasya. Saha ahan nama. He got the name aham nama. Aham in this. So he is called aham nama. Bahurihi samas. This is Upanishad. Tasya Upanishad. Upanishad means
Rahas.
secret. What is the rahasya? Why he is called aham? Tad shruti pradarshitam eva nama vakshyati. Tika. So this name, because he first expressed himself as aham. That's why. See in Tika. Kimiti prajapatehe aham iti nama uchyate. Why you say Prajapati's name is aham? Sadharanam hi idam sarvesham इति आशंक्य उपासनार्थम इत्याह. साधारणम ही इदम नाम सर्वेषाम. Everybody's name is aham. Everybody calls themselves as aham. Kosi, somebody will ask, who is there? So what he will say? Aham asmi. Iti ashankya upasanartham. So in this way, one should do upasana. Means whenever I think of aham, as upasaka, I can think of myself as Prajapati. Otherwise, Brahma, aham Brahma. आध्यात्मिकस्य चाक्षुषस्य पुरुषस्य अहम इति रहस्यम नाम इति यतो वक्ष्यति. अतः श्रुति सिद्धम एव एतन्नाम अस्य ध्यानार्थम इह उक्तम इत्यर्थः. आध्यात्मिकस्य चाक्षुषस्य पुरुषः, दैट चाक्षुष पुरुष चक्षु स्थितः, द वन हु इज इन चक्षु. अहम इति रहस्यम नाम. 13 नंबर टिप्पणी. गोप्यम. रहस्यम मीन्स गोप्यम. इति यतो वक्ष्यति. It will be said, अतः श्रुति सिद्धम एव एतन्नाम अस्य. This is श्रुति सिद्ध नाम. ध्यानार्थम इह उक्तम. Here it is given for ध्यान. इत्यर्थः. प्रजापतेः अहन्नामत्वे लोकप्रसिद्धिं प्रमाणयितुम् उत्तरं वाक्यम् इत्याह. So this Prajapati is aham nama. In that loka prasiddhi is pramanam. That is given in the next sentence. Before that, see 15 number tippani. Prajapati hi aham iti agre vyajahara. Tato aham nama abhut. Iti atra kim manam. What is the pramanam that first Prajapati uttered aham? How do you know? Somebody is asking. Prajapati hi aham iti agre vyajahara. Tato aham nama abhut. Therefore, he became aham nama. Kim manam, kim pramanam iti jignasayam pratyaksham tatra manam iti abhipretya. Pratyaksham pramanam iti abhipretya. Tasmad ityadi bhashyam avatarayati Prajapatehe. What is pratyaksha pramana? He gives. Pratyaksha pramana is this, that everybody calls themselves as aham. Therefore, so it must have come from the karana. So karana started in this way. Like the jalam here, let's say in my nala tap, is of particular swarupa. In your room also you get same jalam. So then I can do anumanam that jalam which is there in the srishti at the time of srishti, that jalam also will have some sadharana dharma which is available everywhere in this way. Tasmat यस्मात् कारणे प्रजापतावेवं वृत्तं तस्मात् तत् कार्यभूतेषु प्राणिषु एतर्हि एतस्मिन्नपि काल आमन्त्रितः कस्त्वम् इति उक्तः सन् अहम् अयम् इति एव अग्रे उक्त्वा कारणात्मना अभिधानेन आत्मानम् अभिधाय अग्रे पुनर्विशेषनाम जिज्ञासवे अथ अनन्तरं विशेषपिण्डाभिधानं देवदत्तो यज्ञदत्तो वा इति प्रब्रूते कथयति। यन्नाम अस्य विशेषपिण्डस्य माता पितृकृतं भवति तत् कथयति। Vakya is long, but it is very simple. How do you know this? That Prajapati said, Aham tasmad yasmad karane prajapatau evam वृत्तम तस्मात् कार्यभूतेषु प्राणिषु तत् कार्यभूतेषु प्राणिषु in the all karya which is expression of that virat in all of them प्राणिषु एतर्हि एतस्मिन्नपि काले आमन्त्रितः कः त्वम् इति उक्तः सन. If somebody will ask, आमन्त्रितः somebody calls, कः त्वम्, who are you? Aham ayam iti eva agre uktva. He says, I am. In this way he will say first. Aham ayam iti agre uktva. Karanatma abhidhanena atmanam abhidhaya. He will refer to his karana name. Whatever is karana nama is there. Somebody will ask us, who are you? Saraswati. Saraswati kaha? So then you give your name. Somebody will say, I am Puri, Bharati, Aranya, Tapovana, Vanam, ityadi. So something they will give. So like, what is that name? Is it Karana? That name is from Karana. Or like in surname, what? Karana, it is showing some lineage. But only that is not enough, because there are so many of such Karana. So that's why Punaha Tadanantaram Vishesha Nama Jignasave. But only aham, if you say, then it is everybody is aham. Aham kaha. This Vishesha Nama Jignasa is there. Then Jignasave to that person, Chaturthi. Atha Anantaram Vishesha Pindavidhanam. Devadattoham. Who am I? I am Devadatta. So ऐसे बोलो ना. Yajnadattoham. So aham is also there. And Vishesha Nama is also there. Aham Nama is from Karana. Vishesha Nama is what? Yan Nama asya Vishesha Pindasya Mata Pitra Kritam Bhavati. That Vishesha Pinda Nama is given, which is given by mother, father, etc. There has to be some Vishesha Samasa here. Mata is given as Prathama Ekvachanam. Pitru will be Napunsakalinga, then it will become Pitru Kritam. Mata Pitru Kritam. Otherwise, it will be Mata Pita Kritam, it should be. But Napunsakalinga they have used here. The Nama Shabda is Napunsaka. That's why. Mata Pitrukritam Bhavati Kathayati. फर्दर इन टीका उपासनार्थम प्रजापतेः अहम नाम उक्त्वा पुरुष नाम निर्वचनम करोति. So now aham nama is done. Now purusha nama nirvacanam. स च प्रजापतिः पूर्वजन्मनि सम्यक् कर्म ज्ञान भावना अनुष्ठानैः साधकावस्थायां यद् यस्मात् कर्म ज्ञान भावना अनुष्ठानैः प्रजापतित्वं प्रतिपित्सूनां पूर्वः प्रथमः सन् अस्मात् प्रजापतित्व प्रतिपित्सु समुदायात् सर्वस्माद् आदावौषत् सर्वस्माद् आदौ औषत् आदावौषत् adhat. This Prajapati, what he did, such a Prajapati he kimakarot. Purva Janmani Samyak Karma Jnana Bhavana Anushthanaihi. In the Purva Janma, Samyak Karma Jnana Jnana Bhavana. Third number Tippani, Abhyasa it is given. Bhavana means Abhyasa. Abhyas means some repetition. This is the bheda between Upasana and Jnanam. In Upasana, you have to do some repetition. In Jnanam, you don't do repetition in the form of I am Brahma in this way. You do repetition of Shravanam. Avriti of Shravanam you have to do again. And therefore, Spashta Jnanam should come where Avriti of this Vritti is not needed. This Vritti should become natural. I have to be Brahma only. In general, we think Aham means Ahankara. That Aham is actually Brahma. In this way, Aham Brahmasmi Vakya should work. सम्यक कर्म ज्ञान भावना अनुष्ठानैः साधकावस्थायां यत् यस्मात् कर्म ज्ञान भावना अनुष्ठानैः प्रजापतित्वं प्रतिपित्सूनां प्रतिपित्सु प्रतिपत्तुम इच्छुः means what? Desire to become Prajapati. Prajapatitvam pratipitsu. So those who have the desire to become Prajapati, Pratipatti literally means Jnanam. But here it is Pratipitsa. Pratipitsa means San Pratyaya is there. San Pratyaya is for Ichchartha. So here Ichcha is for Prapti. In this way you have to take. Pratipitsunam, Prajapatitvam Pratipitsunam. So at one time there were lot of people desiring to become Prajapati. Purvaha Prathamah San Asmat Prajapatitva Pratipitsu Samudayat. Prajapatitva Pratipitsu Samudaya. Samudaya means group of people. All of them were desirous to become Prajapati. Sarvasmat Adau Aushat. So then what he did, in the beginning, he became Prajapati and then he burnt everybody else. प्रति उपसर्ग पूर्वक पतली गत्यर्थक धातु इज देयर. Pratyarthaka dhatu is for jnanam also and prapti also. So here it is in the form of prapti. And san pratyaya is there. So pratipitsa means pipadaisha. So what he did? Adau sarvasmat aushad. Aushad adahat. He burnt all of them. Aushad is push dahe dhatu in the form of dahanam. Lang lakar, aushad. Tika. पूर्वस्मिन् जन्मनि साधकावस्थायां कर्मादि अनुष्ठानैः अहम अहमिकया प्रजापतित्व प्रेप्सूनां मध्ये पूर्वो यः सम्यक् कर्मादि अनुष्ठानैः सर्वं प्रतिबंधकं यस्माद् अदहत् तस्मात् स प्रजापतिः पुरुष इति योजना. Purvasmin Janmani, in the previous Janma, when he was a Sadhaka Avasthayam, what he did, Karmadi Anusthana, Karma Upasana Anusthana, he did, and he did this Chintanam, Aham Prajapati. Means this is the Ahangraha Upasana. Aham Prajapati. In this way, how much Chintanam he must have done, he forgot himself. That is called Prajapatitva Prapti. अहम अहमिकया प्रजापतित्व प्रेप्सूनाम. प्रेप्सु प्रेप्सा is ipsa is इच्छा. आपलि धातु is there. So आप, ज्ञप and iriddha, in these three dhatu e adesha comes. So this is the sutra आप ज्ञप iriddha meet. आप ज्ञप iriddha, ri is there. So api, आप ज्ञपि and ridham eat adesha comes. So that आप dhatu becomes ipsa. Ipsa means praptum ichha. Prepsunam madhye prajapatitva prepsu. They all are desirous to attain prajapatitvam. पूर्वो यह सम्यक कर्मादि अनुष्ठानैः सर्वं प्रतिबंधकम् अदहत्. See, everybody has pratibandhaks. When he did so much upasana, so much karma, etc., punya came. All his adharma got destroyed. So pratibandha is gone. When the pratibandha is gone, the one whose pratibandha got burnt first, he became Prajapati. Then others were still sitting doing their japa remaining. So that's why Sarvam Pratibandakam Yasmad Adahat Tasmat Saha Prajapatihi Purushaha iti yojana. Uktameva Sputayati. Prathama San is the first. So the Purusha Shabda etymology is being taught. How to do? Purvaha San Aushad. Purvaha San Aushad. So from Purvaha you take Pur, and from Aushad you take Usha. It becomes Purushaha. In this way, Veda itself has given etymology. And these words are there in the Bhashya. Huh? See there. Prajapatitvam Pratipitsunam Purvaha. Second last line. Purvaha. means Prathamaha, sun. So Purva you underline, sun you underline. Purvaha sun and Aushat is there in the last line on Bhashya. Aushat Adahat. So Purvaha sun Aushat iti Purusha. सर्वस्माद् अस्माद् प्रजापतित्व प्रतिपित्सु समुदायात् प्रथमः सन औषध. पूर्वः सन औषध और प्रथमः सन औषध. First he burnt his pratibandhas. In other words, to accomplish anything great in life, what is my Shatru? My own pratibandhas, whatever I have created. The Bhagavan also told Arjuna, Kamayesha, Krodhayesha, Rajoguna Samudbhava. Mahashano, Mahapapma, Vidyenam, Iha Vairinam. This is the Vairi. You don't think this person is that person is Vairi. This is your Vairi. And when I don't work on that and work on other things, there is no end to it. Whole life I can work then. Prathamaha san aushat iti sambandha. Akanksha purvakam dahyam darshayati. What did he burn? Akanksha is there. Him. Asanga ajnana lakshanan sarvan papmanaha prajapatitva pratibandha bhutan. What is the pratibandha? Asanga ajnana lakshana. Asanga, extreme attachment, etc. Identifications with what I am not. Asanga ajnan lakshanan sarvan papmanaha, all the papa. Prajapatitva pratibandha karana bhutan. They all are pratibandha for becoming Prajapati. He burnt them through his heart. See, that's why those people we find, right, in the story. Valmiki ji, he sat and did so much japa sadhana. He burnt all the pratibandhaka. He became great rishi. Or so many other people, they do such kind of things. They take big Purascharana, Anusthana, etc. When Vedanta sadhan is not available, then they are great sadhan. And if for somebody Vedanta sadhan is available, but pratibandha is so much that nothing fruitful is happening for them, then for them also it is required. Prajna mandhyam ide. The buddhi is not that sukshma. On their own, they will not do vichara. Extrovertedness is too much. Bahirmukta. Then for them, some such karma upasana anushtanam will help. Those on their own, they can dwell on Shastra. Brahmakar vritti comes easily, naturally. They don't have to worry. They don't need such anusthana, etc. Other thing is this. In the midst of people, if I forget who I am, then I need to go in solitude. Those who don't forget, they don't need solitude. See, every time if you forget who you are, then say, go in front of mirror, see who you are. Then I say, okay, now I know why. Then he goes. Then again after 5 minutes he forgets. Again go there. So some people need some external sadhana. They need some solitude, etc. For some people, solitude is there, it is good. But if it is not there, they don't have to see it, because in the midst of everything also, they don't forget who I am. So sadhakas are of variety, depending upon how much pratibandha is there. And then for some people, that punya pratapa is so much that even if they are in the midst of everything, they will have solitude. Actually, everybody has enough solitude. We have enough reasons to say, no, I need different kind of solitude. I have to go here, there. but I have to make sure my phone is there, my Wi-Fi is there. I need solitude. You go anywhere, you take your phone and then see what solitude you get. You won't get anything. So they are pratibandha karanabhuta. टीका पूर्वं प्रजापतित्व प्रतिबंधक प्रध्वंसित्वे सिद्धम अर्थमाह. पूर्वं प्रजापतित्व प्रतिबंधक प्रध्वंसित्वे सिद्धम अर्थम. Earlier, all the pratibandhakas were burned. So he did first. Yasmadevam. Tasmad Purushaha. Purvam Aushat iti Purushaha. Usha dhatu, dahe. Purvam Aushat. Purusha Gunopasakasya phalam aha. The one who does this, what is the phalam? Yatha ayam prajapati roshit. Prajapatihi oshitva. Ushitva. Usha dhatu is there. Oshitva. Adajadinam. And then Atascha. Ush will become Osh. Oshitva. Pratibandhakan papmanaha sarvan purushaha prajapati abhava. And then, just like he burnt his own pratibandhas, he burnt even others. Sarvan purushaha poshitva prajapati abhavat. एवं अन्योपि ज्ञान कर्म भावना अनुष्ठान वन्निना केवलम ज्ञान बलाद औषधि भस्मी करोति हवै स तम कम यो अस्मात् विदुषः पूर्वः प्रथमः प्रजापतिर्बुभूषति भवितुम् इच्छति तम इत्यर्थः. In the same way, anya api, anybody else also, jnana karma bhavana anusthana vannina, by this jnana karma bhavana anusthana vanni, agni, on the strength of jnanam, he will burn other things. Jnana balat aushati bhasmi karoti. Means there is no real burning. Burning is, if you burn others, then it is a negative thing. That question will be discussed. You are not burning anybody. By your jnana bala, you stand out ahead of everybody in any place. Your knowledge, your upasana, your tapas will express. Bhasmi karoti havai saha tam kam tam bhasmi karoti yo asmad vidushaha purvaha prathamaha prajapatir bubhushati bhavitum ichchati tam jnana balat aushati. On the strength of his jnanam, he will burn those other people also. Upasana. Jnanam here means upasana. With his upasana bala, he will burn the other people. Burning other people, don't misunderstand. Ayam prajapatika, ayam prajapatihi iti bhavishyad vritya sadhakoktihi. Purushaha prajapatihi iti phalavasthaha sakathyate. So, ayam prajapatihi, it is given in the bhashya, ayam prajapati means at that time he was not prajapati, he was yajamana, but he did his jnana karma anusthana, upasana, he was a sadhaka. In phala avastha, he became prajapati. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति।